Hi.
Pardon?
I just said hi.
Hi. Hello. Hi.
Okay if I sit closer? How far are you going?
Rockville Center.
Get out! Me too.
Really?
What are the odds? Do I know you? Do you ever shop at Barnes & Noble?
Sure. Yep.
That's it.
Yeah.
I've seen you, man. Book slave there for like 5 years now.
Oh.
Jesus.
I would have thought I would
That's
remember
5 years?
you.
Might be the hair.
What might?
It changes a lot. The color. That's why
Oh.
you might not recognize me. It's called Blue Ruin.
Right.
The color. Snappy name, huh?
I like it.
Yeah. Anyway, this company makes a whole line of colors with equally snappy names. Red Menace, Yellow Fever, Green Revolution. That'd be a job, coming up with those names.
Think there could possibly be a job like that? I mean, how many hair colors could there be? 15 maybe?
Someone's got that job. Agent Orange. I came up with that one. I apply my personality in a paste.
Oh, I doubt that very much.
Well, you don't know me, so you don't know, do you?
Sorry. I was just trying to be nice.
Yeah, I got it. My name's Clementine, by the way.
I'm Joel.
Hi, Joel.
Hey,
No jokes about my name. Oh, no, you wouldn't do that. You're trying to be nice.
I don't know any jokes about your name.
Huckleberry Hound.
I don't know what that means.
Huckleberry Hound? What are you, nuts?
It's been suggested.
Oh, my darling, oh, my darling, oh, my darling Clementine. You were lost and gone forever. Dreadful sorry, Clementine. No?
No, it's all right. It's a pretty name, though. It really is nice. It's, means merciful, right? Yeah. Clemency.
Although it hardly fits. I'm a vindictive bitch, truth be told.
See, I wouldn't think that about you.
Why wouldn't you think that about me?
I don't know. You just... I don't know. Just, seem nice, so...
Oh, now I'm nice? God, don't you know any other adjectives? I don't need nice. I don't need myself to be it, and I don't need anybody else to be it at me.
Okay.